Hello children, good morning to all of you beta. Today beta we are going to start with exercise 12.3 in which we will learn how to write a number in standard form or scientific form. So then the first question is write the following numbers in the standard form. So in question number 1 we are going to write it in the standard form. So in standard form beta, just see. The first number is 583000. Now beta, when we have to write it in the standard form, as I discussed in 12.1 starting exercise, that you know the decimal is here and you have to shift this decimal only after one digit, like here. And now see, you are having the decimal on the right hand side and you are shifting it to the left hand side. So when you will be shifting from right to left, you will be taking the positive powers. Means I will write this number as 5.83 into 10 and I will just count how many digits are coming from here to here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer will be 5.83 into 10 raised to power 5. Similarly beta, in the second question I have 4 divided by 1. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Right? So 4 divided by 10 raised to power 5. Divide means it is in the denominator. And when you will bring it to the numerator, as I told you in the laws of exponents, this is positive here. So when it will come in the numerator, it will become negative. So it will be 4 into 10 raised to power minus 5. Similarly, in the third question beta, it is 0.0005, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, 7 to 9. Now you are shifting your decimal from here to here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 digits. So now you are going from left to right. So you will put the negative power. So it will be 7.29 into 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 10 raised to power minus 6. Hope you are clear with this. Similarly, fourth question, 346 into 10 raised to power 7. Now in 346 the decimal is here. You are shifting it 2 places to this side. So it will be 346 into 10 raised to power 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 7. Now see beta, 10 raised to power 2 and 10 raised to power 7. The bases are same and the powers will get added. So it will be 3.46 into 10 raised to power 9 and this is the answer. Hope you are clear with the first question. Now similarly beta, we will be doing the reciprocal of this question where we will be doing it in the usual form. So usual form mein kya hoga? We will be doing the opposite of what we were doing here. So in the usual form beta, I will be taking up only 2 parts now in the usual form. Say first is 3.85 into 10 raised to power 5. Clear? Now 3.85 means it is 385 over 100 and 10 raised to power 5 means we have got 5 zeros here. Out of these 2 zeros will get cancelled and we will put 3 zeros after 385. So this is the answer in usual form. Hope you are clear. If it is negative, say for example I am taking the second part, it is 3.21 into 10 raised to power minus 5. So 3.21 means 321 over 100 into 10 raised to power 5 minus 5. So when you will 100 means 10 raised to power 2. ठीक है, 100 का मतलब क्या होता है 10 raised to power 2. So 10 raised to power 2 को बेटा जब आप न्यूमरेटर में लेके जाओगे, it will become 10 raised to power minus 2. Yes, multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 5. So as you can see, minus 2 and minus 5. When you will add minus 2 and minus 5, it will become 10 raised to power minus 7. Now it means there are 7 zeros in the denominator because negative को जब हम positive बनाएंगे, तो what we will do? We will bring it in the denominator. So it will be क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास? We will have 325 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and when you will put at the point, so यहाँ पे हमारे पास 7 digits होनी चाहिए decimal में, 3 digits are already there, so we will put 4 zeros and 3 to 5. So this is the answer in the usual form. So you can do the other parts in the same way, beta. Now we are on the third question. In the third question, beta, we have to find the value of x, for which what is given to you? 5 by 3 raised to power minus 5 multiplied by 5 by 3 raised to power minus 11. This is equal to given to you 5 by 3 raised to power of 8x. Now beta, laws of exponent says when the bases are same and there is a multiplication sign, a raised to power m, a raised to power n. What is that equal to? It is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So what you will do? This will be 5 upon 3 raised to power, add these two powers beta. Minus 5 and minus 11. Both are negative. So when you will add it, it will become minus 16. 5 by 3 raised to power 8. So bases are same. So what are you doing? You are equating the powers. Equating the powers. So beta, when you are equating the powers, what are you getting? Minus 16 and this will be equal to the power 8x. So now 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So x is equal to what beta? X is equal to minus 2. Beta, in the same way, you can do the fourth question also. Okay? You will be equating the powers and you will be getting the answer in the fourth question. Now coming to the fifth question. In the fifth question beta, it is also the same thing but little bit we have to see. 7 raised to power 2x plus 1. Okay? This is divided by 49 and this is equal to 7 raised to power 3. Now beta, you have to see here that here it is 49 but here the bases are 7. So you have to make this 49 also equal to 7. So it will be 7 raised to power 2x plus 1 divided by 7 raised to power 2 is equal to 7 raised to power 3. Now what is here? There is a divide sign. The bases are same. So when there is a divide sign, what happens? A raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. That is equal to a raised to power m minus n. So what do you see here? 7 raised to power 2x plus 1 minus 2. This will be equal to beta 7 raised to power 3. So now what you will do? You will be equating the powers. So when you will equate the powers beta, what you will get? You will get 2x plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 3. So 2x will become equal to minus 2 goes on this side, minus 2 plus 3, 3 plus 2 minus 1. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. So 2x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. So therefore the answer to this question is x is equal to 2. Similarly beta, the sixth sum can be done in the same way. Coming to the question number 7. Now in 7th question also beta, you have to follow the same criteria. Like in the first part, it is 3 raised to power 3x minus 5 which is equal to 1 upon 9 raised to power x. So 3 raised to power 3x minus 5. 9 को न्यूमरेटर में ले जाओ तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? 9 raised to power minus x बन जाएगा. Now this 9 can be written as how can you write this 9? You can write it as 3 power 2 power minus x. So what are you having? You are getting a power m power n and you know that the two powers will get multiplied now. It will be 3 power 3x minus 5 is equal to 3 power minus 2x. Again, what are you going to do? You are going to equate the powers. When you equate the powers beta, what you will get? By equating the powers, you get 3x minus 5 is equal to minus 2x. So bring this minus 2x on this side, it will become plus 2x. Take this minus 5 on that side, it will become plus 5. So 5x is equal to 5, x is equal to 1 and this is the answer. Hanji beta, question number 7th part 3. It is given to you 6 raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 1. Beta, now a question arises, एक दिमाग विच question आ रहा है साढ़े कि when the bases are same then only we equate the powers. But here it is 1, how I can equate it equal to 6? But then I have another law which I keep in mind that कोई भी number, any number raised to power 0 is always equal to 1. So can I write this 1 as 6 raised power 0? है ना, क्योंकि if the value is 1, I can take any base. 7 raised power 0 is 1, 8 raised power 0 is 1, 11 raised power 0 is 1. So if any number raised power 0 is 1, I can also take 6 raised power 0 equal to 1. So now I have made the same basis. Definitely I can equate the powers now. So x minus 2 will be equal to 0. What will be x equal to, beta? X will be equal to 2. Now let me take another part with you, part 5. In the fifth part, beta, what is given to you? 3 raised power 4x is equal to, this is the fifth part, beta. 3 raised power 4x is equal to 81 raised power minus 1. So 3 raised power 4x is equal to 81. How many times you can write 3 when you want to write it the value of 81? So you know, when you find the factors of 81, it is 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3 and 3, 1. So you can write it as 3 power 4 power minus 1. Now when there are two powers of the same number, you very well know that you multiply the two. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Bases are same, powers will get equated. Minus 4x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 1. So this is the answer, beta, x equal to minus 1. In the same way, beta, you can complete the rest of the parts also. Or if you want, I can just discuss the fourth part. Just see the fourth part, beta. In the fourth part, beta, what is given to you? Under root 2 raised power x is equal to 2 raised power x. Now, this is under root 2, this is 2 raised power 8. Under root 2x is equal to 2 raised power 8. So you can write under root 2x is equal to 2, beta, can be written as under root 2 the square. क्यों? क्योंकि when you multiply 2 into 2, then only you can take out 1 2 outside the root sign. So this is under root 2 the square. Now there are two powers of under root, so this becomes under root 2 raised power 16, under root 2 raised power x. So as you can see, the power of this is x, the power of this is equal to 16. So therefore what is x equal to? X is equal to 16. हाँ जी बेटा, question number 8 of your exercise. It is 4 raised power x minus 4 raised power x minus 1 is equal to 24. And we want to find what is 2x raised power x equal to. Now see beta, 4 raised power x. Now see how we can write this part. This part can be written as 4 raised power x divided by 4. Why? Because here it is minus 1. And you know that why the powers are subtracted when we divide the base. When the bases are same and there is a divide sign, then only the powers are subtracted. So that is why 4 is in the denominator, and when it goes in this numerator, that is why we have got this x power minus 1. 4 x minus 1. And this is equal to 24. अब इसमें से कॉमन देखो बेटा, व्हाट इज कॉमन? 4 रेज्ड पावर x इज कॉमन. सो यहाँ से आपके पास 1 रह गया, माइनस 1 बाय 4 इज इक्वल टू 24. ना 4 रेज्ड पावर x, एलसीएम 4 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 24. सो 4 रेज्ड पावर x, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 is equal to 24. Now we will shift it on that side. When you will shift it on that side, beta, what you will get? You will get 4 raised to power x is equal to 24 into 4 divided by 3, which is equal to 8. So 4 raised to power x is equal to 32. Now 4 can be written as 2 power 2 and 32 can be written as 2 power 5. You know that when you take out the factors of 32, you've learnt in the square roots. So here there are 2 powers, so powers get multiplied. And when you equate the powers, 2x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 2. Now the answer is not this. You actually want to find the value of this. So now put the values, put x equal to 5 by 2 in 2x raised to power x. What do you get? 2 into 5 by 2 raised to power 5 by 2. Now what happens? These two gets cancelled and in the bracket you are left with 5 raised to power 5 by 2, and this is the answer. Okay beta. Similarly we will do the last sum, which is the ninth sum, and after that the other ones are just same the scientific notations that you can write it yourself. Question number 9 beta. It is 9 raised power x plus 2 is equal to 240 plus 9 raised power x. So सबसे पहले take this 9 raised power x on this side. It is 9 raised power x plus 2 minus 9 raised power x is equal to 240. So 9 raised power x यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? Plus का मतलब क्या हुआ कि there is a 9 raised power 2 which is getting multiplied, and because the bases were same, then only, and there was a multiplication sign, you added the powers. Minus 9 raised power x is equal to 240. Now what is common beta? 9 raised power x is common. 9 square. What is 9 square? 9 nines are 81. Minus. When you take this 9x common, there is nothing left, but when there is nothing, you to take a 1 is equal to 240. Now 81 minus 1, that is equal to 80 is equal to 240. अब 80 के साथ 240 की कटिंग कर दो. 8 3s are 24. 0 and 0 get cancelled. Now what do you get is 9 raised power x is equal to 3. But the bases are not the same. How you can make 9 3? 3 square is equal to 9. So this 9 can be written as 3 square raised to power x is equal to 3. So this is 3 raised to power 2x is equal to 3. So we can put a power 1 here, 3 raised to power 1. Now bases are same. You will equate the powers. So when you will equate the powers, beta 2x will be equal to 1 and x will be equal to 1 by 2. So in this way you can get the answer x equal to 1 by 2. So beta, in this way we have finished off with the chapter number 12. Now you can finish off all the rest of the questions of this exercise in the standard form easily, because you've already understood question number 1 and question number 2. Thank you.